purely a very quick video to answer some questions I've gotten about the private investigator training I offer now that it's in a streaming format, which of course means instant access 24 hours a day. There's no waiting for a DVD to arrive in the mail, nothing like that. One thing that surprised me, people have thought that maybe you buy it and you only get access for 1 year. They think that because there's a 1 year guarantee on it. No, you get unlimited access to it. I've just had to draw a line on the guarantee somewhere. And unlike some of these places I consider kind of ripoffs that give you a 7-day guarantee or require you to jump through hoops, prove that you did this or that in order to get your refund. No. It's a 1 year unconditional money back guarantee. If you say, Larry, I've watched it for a year, I've learned everything you have to teach, but I don't like the color of the background that you stood in front of when you filmed it, fine. You just send an email to me, let me know you want a refund, and you get your refund. So it's unlimited access and a 1 year guarantee. If you're interested in any of that training, be it surveillance, process serving, go over to shadowanyone.com. You can find out all about it over there. I have a frequently asked questions page and pages about each individual type of training that I offer. In the meantime, thanks for your interest. I greatly appreciate it. And remember, do the right thing, even if it's the hard thing.